So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Hey gang, Dave D. Williamson here with a quick tip that can increase your leads by 50% and also convert them into sales for any product, service, or business you have at 80 to 87%. We do it all day long, gang. This is no joke. You want to retire early? My coaching will do it for you, okay? Now, here's my tip for you today, okay? So listen up, get your coffee, and watch this video. Now, did you know, and I'm going to put you in the know, that's the name of this video, get in the know, because if you get in the know and learn what's going on, increase your experience and education, you're going to create unbelievable wealth, okay? So, I'm going to put you in the know on something on Facebook. This is Putting You in the Know, Part 1. Did you know that Facebook now has a messaging system on the business side of your funnel? So in other words, let me show you something. This right here is the personal side of my funnel, okay? My personal page where you come and be friends. My messages are all up here, right? I'm sure you all know that. If you don't, ask me. Send me a message on Facebook. Ask me a friend and I'll help you. But anyway, these are your messages for your personal side of your business funnel, where they become your friend, learn a little bit more about you, check out your about page, all that, okay? Now, let's go over to my biz page, okay? This is my biz page. Now, we come over here, and Facebook has just added messaging over here, okay? It used to be just some minute messages, but they are working hard on it, gang, okay? And if you click on these messages, you're going to end up right here, okay? These are your messages, okay? So let me show you. Look, click on messages, and right over here, you have complete messages now. You can see all the people I'm talking to. There's a slew of people over here, okay? So, look, if you come over here, and after you watch this video, if you follow instructions with this video and go complete my 7-second registration, and on the following page, you can learn about Skype. Send me a free Skype contact request. Skype, we can talk live. It's free. Don't worry. And I will show you how to take these messages, these people that are talking to you that you never knew you had, and get another 50% added to the leads for your business. Not only that, I'll teach you how to convert them at 80 to 87%. You can see all the messages I got going on right here. I've got several people over to Skype already from here. That's without excluding my personal page messages. Look, my personal page messages are right here, up here, see? You can see all the people that are talking to me. See that? Now, I run my business in Facebook down here. You're allowed to have 20 conversations down here. So, first thing in the morning, I don't want to mix you up. I'm going to keep this simple, okay? But in the first thing in the morning, you check your notifications, you check your inbox, you check your friend requests, okay? Once those are all done, all your chat message, your business gets run from down here. Any conversations you have will be right up here. See them? Right here. See them? I'm talking to people all through here. Your new messages and replies down here will be here. So now you're working Facebook all day down here. This is how Facebook works. You start the day out up here. That's all your activity from last night, the night before, whatever, okay? And you continue your activity down here. This is a whole separate area of Facebook where you're going to make sales, okay? Now, I'm teaching you right now, I'm putting you in the know of how to use your biz page to double what you're already doing on your personal page, okay? I have one of my coaches online, Michael Walsh here. Say hello to everybody, Michael.
Hey, everybody.
Michael, I want you to tell them. Now, I told you people watching this video now, we're the real deal, man. We do one-on-one live coaching for free, okay, for free, to show you how to psychologically influence your prospects. We convert them at 80 to 87%, never under 80. And there ain't a business out there that can tell you they do that. If they can, get them over on Skype and I'll show you who's telling the truth. I'll prove it. Okay, I'll take you to screen share and prove it. And I guarantee you they can't prove it. Guarantee you. Okay? Now, Michael, what did you just witness while we were working here?
Hey, everybody, you won't believe what I just witnessed. I just witnessed Dave Williamson, the founder of the company, take a call on Google Plus for some guy that was cold calling another opportunity. And by the end of the call, the guy was signing up on socialpro.com.
He was promoting Legal Shield to me, wasn't he, Michael?
Yes, he was.
He called me, and within 10 minutes, he's on his way over to Social Pro Revolution to register for our 7-second free registration. No strings, no money. You don't have to pay for nothing like a lot of these biz opportunities. They send you an automated page, and you got to pay. Register 7 seconds. Watch the video on the following page, how to use free Skype. It's free. And I will talk live with you, give you $1,000 in free coaching, no strings attached. We're the real deal. We work on honest business here, okay? Business on a handshake. We'll qualify you for $1,000 coaching, and we will prove to you that there is a good business out here that will hold true on all the promises they make, okay? We got over 7,000 successful students. We are converting at 80 to 87%. Don't tell nobody that. They're going to think you're lying. They've never seen anything crazy like that. But I'm telling you, we know how to do it. If you don't believe us, come over to socialprorevolution.com and complete our 7-second registration. I'll even show you the website, gang. For those of you that are really serious now, I only work with serious people that want to make 6 figures a month. Look, right over here, you can see the URL, socialprorevolution.com. Come over here, watch this video, and register. And once you register, you will come to a Skype video page where I teach you how to get Skype. It's very quick. It's free. You can live influence anybody on Skype. You can use live screen share. And no, you do not need a webcam. You don't have to get in front of a camera or nothing, okay, gang? This is easy, man. I'm telling you, it's easy. All you got to do is know how to brand yourself and learn the psychology from me of how to convert your prospects. And we'll show you how to reach over 3 billion people and then how to convert them into sales at 80 to 87%. You hear me pounding on my desk. I'm telling you, this is hot, baby. We've been hot for 2 years now. We were so busy we couldn't see straight through Christmas. So we have this problem that we're giving away money to people that want to learn how to do this. Are you one of them people? Come see us and find out what a real coaching family is. We will catch you on the flip-flop on the winning side. God bless you all. Toodaloo.